What's the meaning of aphorism? Aphorism. Aphorism. Aphorism.
Aphorism. Aphorism. An aphorism is a concise statement, often expressed in a witty or memorable way, that expresses a general principle or truth about life. It is usually brief and to the point, conveying a message with few words. Aphorisms are often used in literature, philosophy, and everyday conversation to provide insight and guidance. They are designed to be easily remembered and shared, serving as a tool for conveying wisdom and moral lessons in a succinct and easily digestible way. In short, an aphorism is a pithy saying that encapsulates a nugget of wisdom.